There are several needs theories that attempt to explain motivation. Collectively, these theories suggest that the deficiencies or needs that we experience motivate us to behave in ways that satisfy these needs. Examples of needs include achievement, self fulfillment, power, affiliation. These theories also suggest that people vary in their needs and that different situations trigger different needs. Trainers should attempt to understand learners' needs and design training to address them. Give them options to choose from different training programs or to choose from different assignments. Trainers should also take the time to explain why a training program will provide value, what the trainees will get from it. What kinds of needs matter to the learning process? In this graphic, we can see three different theories and the total of 11 different needs that they highlight. Any one theory isn't necessarily better than the other. The important point is that there are many different needs that we need to think about, and remember that everyone varies in the needs that are motivating them in any given situation. Physiological needs include necessities like air, food, and sleep. Safety needs include the feeling of security and being safe from dangerous situations, from fearful situations. Social needs include friendship, affection, love. Esteem needs include the feeling of achievement, of accomplishment. And the final need is self actualization, a need that Maslow predicted very few people would be able to fulfill. Self actualization is like self fulfillment, the need to become the best version of yourself, to become all that you can be. Alderfer's model is similar to Maslow's model, but McClelland's includes a need that the other two does not: power. The main idea with the needs theories is that trainers and managers need to find out more about what people need from their work and from their development opportunities, and then do their best to try to meet those needs. Of course, it isn't going to be possible for every single person all of the time, but it sort of comes with the job, trying to meet people's needs in the best way that you can.